today we're going to learn about adding multi-digit numbers. So it can be one-digit numbers and two-digit numbers or everything two-digit. So first, we're going to start off with this one. 25 plus 25 plus 25. So we're going to, first we can do 5, add 5, 5, and 5. So 2 5, you can see 2 5s, which can make it 10, plus 5, 15, and we can't just write the one here. Instead, we can write it here. We can write it here underneath the 2. Or if you want, we could even write on the top. So then 3, 2, you remember, so add 2 and 2, that would be 4. And it's plus 2, that would be 6. Plus 1, that would be 7. So the answer to 25 plus 25 plus 25 is 75. Next, we're moving on to this one. 4 plus 6 plus 15 plus 35 plus 40. This one looks tricky because there's these numbers and there's 5, but that doesn't change the question. So you know 4 and 6 is 10, right? And 5 and 5 is 10 as well. In the last video, you remember counting 10. So 2 10s is 20. So 0 here, because there's 0 1s, and put the 2 here. So 4 and 2 is 6. 3 and 1 is 4. So that would be 10. So, and since there's no more digits to go with, then you can just write both digits. No need to write a number here because there's no more digits left. But if we were to put another digit here, then we had to put that there. But we're going to learn about that in a different video. So last question is going to be this question. So you know how to make 10 and 9, right? So that can help in this question. So you can know that 6 and 3 is 9, and 9 plus 1 equals 10. So that would be a 10. So 0 here, a 1 here. And so we can do, first, since you see 7, you can add 3 to 7. That will equal 10. Plus another 7, that would be 17. Plus 5, that would be, this is our third question. So it's going to be 71 plus 70 plus 56 plus 33 plus 20. So you know how to make 9 and 10, so that can help. 6 and 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, and plus 2 zeros, that will just still equal 10 because 0 is nothing. So put a 0 there, put a 1 here. So add 1 to 2, that would be 3. And then that can add it to this to make 10. But times 10, that would be 100. And then 3 plus 7 times 10, that would be 100. So 2 10s would be 20, and 5 still left over. So that would be 25. So our final answer is 250. So 71 plus 70 plus 56 plus 33 plus 20 is 250. Now, I have a couple easy ones for us to do. So we can start from here and then go down, and then we go up here and then go down. So 0, 10 minus 5. You know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. 100 minus 5, that's just 100 is 10 multiple 10. So to make a 10, it would be 5, but since it's times 10, that means it would be 95. 9 minus 5 equals 4 because you know that 4 plus 5 equals 9. 8 minus 5 equals 3 because you know that 3 plus 5 equals 8. And now we're going to add some two-digit numbers again. So 5 plus, so break up 6 into 5 and 1. So then that can make a 10, but there's 1 left over, so that would be 11. 1 there, and then put a 1 up here. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So 25 plus 46 equals 71. 17 plus 55. So 7 plus 5. So break 5 into 2 and 3. 3 plus 7 is 10, and there's 2 left over, so that would be 12. And remember, put the 10 there, and 1 and 5 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. So that would equal 72. So 251 minus 15. So, 1 is not bigger than 5. And you don't want a negative answer, do you? Well, there's one way to change that. Cross out the 3, then that would be 2. Then we can put the 10 here. So 11 minus 5 equals 6. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. And 2 minus nothing is still 2. So 231 minus 15 equals 216. Last question. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 1 plus 3 equals 4. If you want to, and at the end, when the video ends, you can go home, get a paper, and then start making up questions on your own and then start solving them. Thanks for watching.